I'm going to make some of my oatmeal for you. First, we take half a cup of oatmeal with a cup of water, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. You can see it's in there. We take it out, and you think that's ready to eat? It's not quite ready to eat. Start by putting in some ground flaxseed. I just ground this up. And this is how I buy the flaxseed in a health food store. I then put in about a half a teaspoon or so of ginger, powdered ginger. And then I put in, this is about a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, and then I get some milk. Put the milk in. This is the fat-free milk. Stir it up. And I mean, it's not the most appealing looking thing in the world, but it's healthy. It has all the benefits of those ingredients that I put in, the flaxseed, the turmeric, and the ginger. And now I'll taste it. Here goes. That's really okay. So you too can make this at home. You might not like it, but I hope you enjoyed this cooking show. If you have any more requests, although this wasn't a request, please ask and I will do a cooking show for you. Thank you. Have a good day.